Hello children, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss chapter 9 of algebraic expression and identities. Chapter 9 of class. So hello children, welcome back. So today I am going to explain you chapter 9 of class 8th, that is algebraic expression and identities. So in this video I am going to explain how we multiply a mononomial by a binomial. Okay, so for multiplication of mononomial by a binomial we are going to use the distributive property. What is distributive property? We already so let me recall what is distributive property. Suppose I have A into B plus C, then how are we going to do this multiplication? We have to multiply this A with this both the terms. So it is A into B, then we have plus, so plus A into C, so A into C. Similarly, if we have A into B minus C, so according to this distributive property we have to multiply with the first term A into B, then I have minus, so minus, so A into C, so A into C. This is the distributive property, we already know about this. So for the multiplication of mononomial by a binomial we are going to use this distributive property. I am going to explain you with some examples. Suppose I am taking one mononomial and a binomial. First, what is mononomial? Mononomial is algebraic expression in which we have only one term, okay? And the binomial is algebraic expression in which we have two terms, then we call it binomial. That we already discussed. So mononomial algebraic expression in which we have only one term, and the binomial in which we have two terms, then we called it binomial. So I am taking a mononomial, suppose it is 3a, okay, and a binomial is, suppose I am taking a binomial like 4a plus 7b. So these are the two expression, mononomial and binomial. We want to multiply it. So let's multiply to 3a into 4a plus 7b. Of course, I am already told you how we are going to do multiplication by same as the distributive property. So we have to open this bracket. So first I am going to multiply this number with the first term. So it is 3a into the first term 4a. Then we have plus, so plus. Again with this 3a going to multiply with the second term. So let's multiply. Now this multiplication is same as the multiplication of two or more than two mononomials. So in multiplication of mononomial we know that we multiply the coefficient with each other and the variable with each other. So what we are going to do here, this coefficient means 3 into 4 are going to be multiplied with each other, and the variable with each other means a into a. Then we have plus. Similarly here also the coefficient is going to be multiplied with each other, so 3 into 7, and the variable with each other a into b. So let's solve. It is 3 4s are 12, and the variable a is multiplied with a, then power is going to be add 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we have plus 3 7 ja 21, so here I am writing 21. A is going to be multiplied with b, so what we get here, it is a into b. So this is the way we have to multiply a mononomial with a binomial. I am taking one more example. Suppose a mononomial is like this, minus 4xy, and a binomial is 5 x square minus 2y square. So these are the two expression. Let's multiply. It is minus 4xy into binomial 5x square minus 2yx square. We're going to do the distributive property. So first this term is going to be multiplied with the first term. So it is minus 4xy into 5x square. Then we have minus, so minus again this term minus 4xy into, then next second term it is 2y square. Let's solve this. Okay, now we have to multiply the coefficient with each other. So minus 4 into 5. So these are the coefficient and variable with each other. So xy into x square minus, again we have coefficient with each other. So minus 4 into 2 and the variable with each other. So xy into y square. So let's multiply. Minus 4 into 5. What we get? Minus 4 into 5 is minus 20. And let's multiply variables. So let's write the x variable. X is multiplied with x square. So power is going to be added. Here we have nothing, means 1 plus 2 is 3. Then the variable y, we have nothing to multiply with y. So I write y as it is. Now minus 4 into 2. What we get? Minus 4 into 2, we get minus 8. Then variables, x variable, we have nothing to multiply with this x, so x is as it is. Then y, so y is multiplied with y square, so power of y is 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's simplify it. It's minus 20 x cube y. Here have minus and minus. Whenever we multiply minus with minus, we get plus, so plus 8 xy cube. So this is our answer. By the same way we have to multiply monomial with the binomial. What only thing we have to do? We going to apply the distributive property, and after that we know the how to multiply a monomial with a monomial. So this is the way to solve this type of multiplication. So that's all for today. In next video we're going to come with the multiplication of a binomial with the binomial. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.